Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Tangem Wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding XRP in your secure Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to the Exmo exchange for trading or withdrawals, you're in the right place. This guide is designed for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you stay safe in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. First things first, let's get started with the basics. Make sure your Tangem wallet is fully set up and connected to your device. If you haven't already, download the latest Tangem app and verify your wallet's access. Remember, security is key in 2025's crypto landscape. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the XRP asset. You'll see your current balance. Double-check it to ensure you have enough XRP for the transfer, including any network fees. Step 2. Head over to your Exmo account on a separate device for security. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select XRP. Copy the provided wallet address. Never share this with anyone else. Step 3. Back in the Tangem app, select the Send option for XRP. Paste the Exmo address carefully, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Pro tip: always use the Preview feature to catch any errors before confirming. Step 4. Hit send and confirm the transaction using your Tangem hardware device. This might involve a PIN or biometric verification for added protection. Once sent, the XRP will travel via the XRP ledger network, which is known for its speed. Finally, monitor your Exmo account for the deposit. It should arrive within minutes, but factors like network congestion could delay it. In 2025, always keep an eye on regulatory changes that might affect transfers. There you have it. Transferring XRP from Tangem to Exmo is straightforward when you follow these steps. Remember, crypto involves risks, so never transfer more than you're comfortable losing. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.